Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to look at a sink topper. Alright guys, my bathroom is under construction. If you notice, this is still raw wood over here. There's going to be a shelf. I don't have room to be able to put stuff on my sink while I'm working, especially my wife when she is using her makeup. She has no place to put it. What we have been doing is using one of my actual kneel pads that I kneel down and work on tile. And this works okay, but it's very movable in the center. It's not rigid enough. So things, if you pile up too much, it'll start caving in here. And if you notice, I can't use the sink as long as this is on here. It's great if I don't need to use water, but if I need to, I can't. So what we have come up with is we are going to do the sink toppers. Now these are really cool little systems that have a steel reinforcement. They open up just like this. They have a hanging hole to be able to fold it down and hang it out of the way somewhere. And it has drain spots. So if it gets wet, you can actually wash this off with soap and water. The water itself will run away if water gets on it while you're actually working in here. Now, there are a couple of other really cool things. If you notice, remember with this, I cannot run water. Well, with this, I can. I can simply put this on here, and now I can run the water. This also has another function that's really cool. If you need to clean your makeup brushes and things like that, if you notice on the center one right here, it has little bumps and ridges all over it. And that is made to be able to clean your brushes off. So you can clean those and then rinse them with soap and water. So that's another added feature. Now, if I'm, say, using a blow dryer, I can put my blow dryer on here. I don't have to worry about it falling in. If I've got shaving equipment, I can put it right here. I can load this up to 7 pounds without it having any problem at all. It's basically a silicone-based product with all the little holes for drainage, and it has steel reinforcement grids all the way around it. Now, when you get it, it is going to have a little thank you card, and it has some instructions on the back of how you actually use it. Now, this is going to be for the 23-inch wide basin. This is a wide sink. They also have it in regular, which is going to be 19 inches. So overall, I think it's great. And by the way, this is pink. This is the wife's. I also have the gray. So the gray is going to open up and look the same, just like this right here, and you're simply going to put it in. Now, let me point one thing out to you, though. I have kind of noticed it's easy to get this thing upside down and put it like this, and you go to use it, and well, guess what? It'll still work, but you lose that brush cleaning capacity. This is smooth on this side. You want the side with these ribs up, just like that. So you get the full benefit of the unit. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it 5 stars because I think it's very well made. I think it's going to last for a long time. I love the fact that it's compact and I can put it over in a corner. I love the fact that it's washable, and I really love the fact I don't lose my water. I can still use the sink while I have this out. So do yourself a favor if you need something like this to hold up everything while you're in the bathroom, whether it's makeup, whether it's shaving, whether it's doing your hair. Get yourself one of these. I don't think you'll regret it, and we will see you on the next one.